How to improve the argon extraction rate of air separation equipment. Argon is a rare gas widely used in various fields of industry. It is used as protective gas for arc welding of stainless steel, aluminum and other metals, as well as gas for blowing and smelting steel, aluminum, titanium, zirconium and other metals. Argon is used for lighting technology and filling of fluorescent lamps. Industrial electronic products also use argon as protective gas. The content of argon in the air is 0.932%. In the air separation unit, 30% to 50% of argon in the processing air can be obtained as a product. With the improvement of argon production technology and the improvement of advanced air separation process and operation method, the extraction rate of argon has been increased to more than 80%. In the air separation equipment, the factors that affect the argon extraction rate are: main column working condition, argon fraction control system, crude argon column working condition, etc.